Have you ever wondered how your organization can protect itself against the threats posed by nuisance or nefarious drones? Introducing Scout, Atlas and Orion by Australian drone technology company Department 13. Scout sensors listen for the unique radio frequency patterns that consumer and commercial drones and their controllers emit. Once a unique signal is detected, Scout sends identification information and alerts and tracks and logs the drone's activity in Atlas. Atlas is a cloud-based drone awareness platform that correlates live monitoring on all drone activity within your operational area. It delivers real-time awareness of drones, controllers, risks and threats in a single operational context. Orion is a non-kinetic, non-jamming drone mitigation platform. Orion executes a range of effects and commands, including taking control, directing the drone out of an area, and even landing it in a pre-designated location to be dealt with by ground-based security. Built to operate instantaneously and autonomously, Department 13 simplifies the protection of your assets around the globe. Observe, protect, operate. Scout, Orion, Atlas. By Department 13.